OnePlus may be planning a big change for its next flagship, the OnePlus 16. A new leak from a well-known tipster suggests that the company could introduce a 200MP camera sensor on this upcoming phone. The current OnePlus flagship, the OnePlus 15, launched globally in November 2025. Since then, rumors and leaks about the next generation have already started circulating online. One of the most notable comes from tipster Digital Chat Station, who shared some details on Weibo about the OnePlus 16. According to the leak, the OnePlus 16 could feature a 200MP sensor. However, the tipster did not clarify whether this sensor will be used for the primary camera or the telephoto lens. This is interesting because OnePlus has never used a 200MP sensor on any of its smartphones before. For comparison, the OnePlus 15 comes with a 50MP triple rear camera setup. If the OnePlus 16 really gets a 200MP sensor, it would be the biggest upgrade in camera hardware we've seen from the company so far. The OnePlus 15 focused heavily on performance improvements compared to the OnePlus 13. It comes with the latest Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset, a massive 7300 battery, and a 165Hz display. Despite these performance gains, the primary and telephoto cameras on the OnePlus 15 have smaller sensor sizes than the OnePlus 13. The phone also moved away from Hasselblad tuning and now relies on the company's in-house DetailMax engine for image processing. The rumor about the OnePlus 16 hints that the camera setup may be similar to Oppo's next generation foldable phone. This could mean larger sensors, better low-light performance, and more advanced photography features. However, at this point, it's all speculation since there's no official confirmation from OnePlus yet. If the 200MP sensor turns out to be real, it would mark a significant leap in mobile photography for OnePlus. High-resolution sensors like this allow for incredible detail, better cropping options, and improved digital zoom. Phones with such sensors also tend to produce sharper and more vibrant images, even in challenging lighting conditions. It's also worth noting that OnePlus has been balancing camera performance with speed and software optimization in recent models. The OnePlus 15, for instance, prioritized processing power and display smoothness over extremely large camera sensors. A move to a 200MP sensor could indicate that the company is ready to push both performance and photography to the next level. Leakers and tipsters often give us an early glimpse into upcoming devices, but it's important to treat these rumors with caution. Specifications can change, and features mentioned in leaks may not always make it into the final product. Still, this rumor about a 200MP sensor is exciting because it could reshape how OnePlus competes in the flagship smartphone market. In summary, the OnePlus 16 could be a major step forward for the company's cameras. With the possibility of a 200MP sensor, the next flagship might deliver unprecedented detail and image quality. While we wait for official announcements, these leaks give us a glimpse of what to expect. OnePlus fans and smartphone enthusiasts will certainly be keeping a close eye on this next release. If the rumors are accurate, the OnePlus 16 could become one of the most camera-focused phones from the brand yet. For now, all we can do is watch the leaks and hope for more official details soon.